Hello dear students, welcome to Trick Track English YouTube channel. This video is for the students of class 9th CBSE board. This video is about the fun they had, the first chapter of your Beehive textbook. In this video, you are going to listen to a detailed audio lecture based on the story The Fun They Had. I am Sujit Kumar. I now take you to the audio part of this video lecture. Let's go through the basic facts of the story. First, know about the background. The Fun They Had was written in 1951, that is in 20th century. 20th century is known more for the scientific inventions and discoveries. एसिमोव द्वारा इस स्टोरी के लिखे जाने तक टेलीविज़न और कंप्यूटर का आविष्कार किया जा चुका था और शिक्षा तथा सूचनाओं के प्रचार प्रसार में इन दोनों ही इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइस की महत्ता स्थापित हो चुकी थी. The story writer Isaac Asimov was greatly motivated by the way the use of computers and television was changing the whole concept of getting and imparting education. Asimov didn't take it long to visualize the arrival of an era that should have educational system dominated by technologies. And my dear students, the fun they had is nothing but the visualization of the use of virtual technologies in the field of education by the arrival of the 22nd century. Now know about the setting of the story. The Fun They Had talks about the mode, manners and methods of education, particularly in the year 2157, that is in 22nd century. Therefore, the story is set in the future in the year 2157 in 22nd century. Now come to the characters of the story. There are in all 5 characters. The first one is Margie, a girl student of 11 years. The second one is Tommy, a boy student of 13 years. The third one is Mrs. Jones. She is Margie's mother. Her concern about her daughter's education is prompt and responsive. The fourth one is a mechanical teacher. It is a computer system dedicated to perform all the functions of teaching. It can display lessons, ask questions, take tests, and evaluate answers. The fifth one is the county inspector. He is a computer technician who detects fault and restores the normal function of a computer system. You may call him the one who repairs computers. Let's understand the story now. Margie and Tommy are neighbors. They live in the year 2157. They are students of junior standards. They learn subjects like geography, history, and arithmetic. The school of Margie and Tommy is in their home itself. In fact, they don't go to a real school for study as we do because they belong to 22nd century and their era supports only e-learning through virtual technologies. So they have got a room in their home next to the bedroom which is designated for schooling. Since they don't go outside for schooling, they don't have any classmates. Margie and Tommy learned their lessons using e-books with the help of a mechanical teacher. They insert their required e-book in the slot of their computer systems. The desired lesson is displayed on the screen page by page with pre-geared speed, and learning is done in accordance with the pre-programmed instructions of the computer system. On 17th May 2157, Tommy found a real book in the attic of his house. A real book is the book which presents the text in printed form on a paper. Tommy brought the book for Margie to see. Margie had not seen a real book before, though she had heard about the use of real books by the school-going students of the 20th century from her grandfather. The book was old, as the pages of the book were yellow and wrinkled. The appearance of the book made Margie curious. She observed the book closely and noticed a few things about the books very strange. She found it strange that the words printed on the book stood still instead of moving the way they did on a computer screen, and also the words on a page always remained the same as the first time they were read. Tommy calls the real book waste because once the book is read, it is of no use. Their television screen has had a million books on it and one cannot throw it away. Margie supports Tommy's opinion, but she is curious to know what the book is about. Tommy tells her it is about school and school life of the people of 20th century. Margie was not having comfortable time with her school for the last few days. Therefore, she hated school. Her dislikeness for school grew stronger because her mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse. It was in fact not Margie's fault. The fault was with the geography sector of mechanical teacher, which was geared a little too quick for Margie to follow pace. It was later got corrected by calling the county inspector by Margie's mother. Margie wants to know more about the old kind of school. Tommy tells her that the old kind of school and school life were quite different from what they had. The students had a human teacher who taught them and gave them homework and also asked them questions. The teachers in those days didn't live and teach in the house. Instead, they had a special building and all the kids went there. The kids of the same age learned the same thing. Leaving her conversation with Tommy, Margie returned home as it was time for her to go into her schoolroom and get her homework checked by the mechanical teacher. She put her homework into the slot of mechanical teacher. She took a sigh and continued to think about the old schools and the activities going on there when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. Margie imagines that all the kids from the whole neighborhood came, laughing and shouting in the school yard, sitting together in the classroom, going home together at the end of the day. They learned the same things so they could help one another with the homework and talked about it, and the teachers were people. Margie silently reflected and thought that those schools were far better than the schools of the type they had because they offered great fun to the students. This completes the story. I hope you have understood the story very well. See you in the next video. Thank you very much for being with me. Goodbye.